Hi, my name is Sierra Waite, and I'll be presenting exam question 10 over the physical symbol system and its four components. The hypothesis states that a physical symbol system has the necessary and sufficient means for general intelligent action. By necessary, Newell and Simon meant that a system must be a physical symbol system to exhibit general intelligence. By sufficient, they meant that anything that is a physical symbol system can, in principle, exhibit general intelligence. And then they defined general intelligent action as the same scope of intelligence seen in humans, so it's basically equivalent to human cognition but with some limitations. The physical symbol system is the law of qualitative structure for cognition, and this just means that it's the essential basic principle that governs cognition and artificial intelligence. The first feature states that symbols are physical patterns. The best way to explain this feature is through representation. So I used an image from Winograd Shrdlu, and on the left side you can see the symbol structures. In this case it's numbers and letters, and they form vehicles or physical objects. The right picture shows the content or what is being represented by these symbol structures. So the sequences of characters are physical patterns and they are represented in the world by the blocks. This can easily be applied to the Turing machine as well. Symbols in the machine are physical objects, and the machine reads these physical objects off of the tape and determines its next action. The second feature states that symbols can be combined to form complex symbol structures. This can be compared to how letters are combined to form words, and then words can be combined to form sentences. So if you start with one symbol, in this case a letter, and combine it with other symbols or other letters, it makes it more complex as it goes on. This exhibits the concept of recursion. Recursion occurs when a thing or function defines itself and creates a hierarchy. A physical symbol system follows recursive rules. These determine how to get from one combination of symbols to a more complex combination that is still accepted by that system. This concept can be shown in the Turing machine. It uses an algorithm to determine what symbols can follow each other and when to mark the end of complex symbols. It then applies this algorithm to individual symbols being scanned, and it builds them into more complex symbol structures. The third feature states that the physical symbol system contains processes for manipulating symbols and complex symbol structures. The big idea for this feature comes from the physical symbol system's ability to problem solve by searching. It does this through the heuristic search hypothesis. So basically what happens is the system modifies symbol structures until it reaches a solution. So all the possible modifications are called the search space. So you have the initial state of how the symbol structure starts, and you apply these transformations from the search space until you reach a solution state. The heuristic search hypothesis uses algorithms to do this in a non-exhaustive way. This can easily be seen in a Turing machine, as its main function is to manipulate the current cell by adding a symbol, deleting a symbol, or moving a symbol to another cell until it reaches its solution state. Another example can be seen in chess, where the formation of pieces represents the symbol structure that is manipulated by the player until somebody wins or reaches a solution state. The fourth feature states that the processes for generating and transforming complex symbol structures can themselves be represented by symbols and symbol structures within the system. So basically, the symbol structures can represent things within the physical symbol system. This is really what makes it capable of intelligent action. It can use its own symbolic representations to provide information to itself about other symbols. So one example is the Universal Turing machine. While it is a Turing machine itself, it is able to run other Turing machines. Another example is a general purpose computer. So a single computer can run many different software programs, which are basically specialized computers on itself. And this also shows how relevant and applicable this hypothesis still can be today. So that's all I have for exam question 10. Thank you.